Hi, I'm Emma and I'm a ranger with Parks Victoria in Shepparton. We would like to acknowledge the traditional lands on which we filmed these Learn to Camp videos. Pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging. At Parks Victoria, we're into nature and we want to show you how you can get into nature too. I love camping because I can escape the busyness of life and de-stress. It's also a great way to develop new skills and connect with nature. This video is the first in a series of 3 about learning to camp. Today, I'll show you the first steps to take when planning a camping trip, like how to book, what facilities and activities there are, and show you some beautiful Victorian parks to visit. Video 2 and 3 will cover what gear to take and how to use it, as well as how to start a campfire and cook on it. Firstly, you will want to decide where and when you will go camping. In Victoria, generally October to April are the best months to plan a trip. Although be aware that December and January are peak camping times, so you will need to book early if you want to go during these times. We have some easy to access parks for beginner campers across our state. Camp beside beautiful beaches, rivers or lakes. Be surrounded by towering trees in tall forests and rugged bushlands, or spend the night on one of our stunning mountain peaks. You can check out the Parks Victoria website and go to the Learn to Camp resources to find more about these locations. When you're deciding where to camp, it's important to check what facilities are available as they will vary from site to site. Campsite facilities are listed for all sites on the Parks Victoria website. Facilities include things like toilets, water, campfires and shelters. Some campsites even have campground hosts who have a wealth of knowledge about the area. The facilities available might impact your choice about where to stay. It's important to know that pets are not allowed, but assistance animals are. Each campground and its surrounding area has a variety of unique activities for you to enjoy. The Parks Victoria website has specific information about the activities at each campground, as well as information on how you can treat our parks with kindness and respect. So you've decided on where and when you want to go. Booking is the next step, and this is easy to do through the Parks Victoria website. Select your site, when you want to go, and how many people will be with you. The website will guide you through each step. You can then follow the prompts on the website to finalise your booking. After booking, make sure someone outside your camping group knows where you are going and when you plan to be home. Now you know how to choose where and when to camp, as well as how to book, you're well on your way to your next adventure. The next video in this series will help you decide what you need and how to use some basic camping equipment. And remember to leave no trace. Always respect the people, the wildlife and the place.